In this video, we'll be replacing the rear wiper blade in this 2005 Honda Element. It's going to be the same process for the first generation from 2003 through 2011. So the first thing we're going to do is grab a hold of our rear wiper blade arm and pull it out towards you. It'll only go so far, it won't go to 90 degrees, so let it rest in the open position. The next step is going to be grab a hold of your wiper blade. You'll notice that a pin in the blade itself runs in a little track. We're just going to rotate it until that pin pops out of that track and our blade rotates even further. You'll come to a point where your blade just pops right off. Go ahead and slide your wiper blade off, and what we were working with were these two pins here and this big center pin. We're riding inside the arm of our wiper blade. So our new wiper blade is going to go on in this orientation. We're going to have the center arm forward and the two pins rearward. We're going to take our blade, we're going to turn it sideways, slide the front of the arm into our wiper blade. We're going to pull it back until that front pin slides into the little hook here, and we're going to pull it backwards into that hook. The next thing we're going to do is take our wiper blade and turn it to line our pins up with the track they ride in, and then keep pulling that in until the pins seat in. Once you've done that, go ahead and give it a turn. No major pressure, you don't want to pop it back out. Just make sure it is actually seated in. Once you're convinced it's good, go ahead and put it back on the windshield, and you're done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.